Have you ever wondered how rice expands after cooking? Rice is the seed of the grass species Oryza sativa. As a cereal grain, it is the most widely consumed staple food for a large part of world's human population. Rice is the most important grain with regard to human nutrition and caloric intake, providing more than 1/5 of the calories consumed worldwide by humans. Now, let us see how rice will expand after cooking. Rice will expand 3 to 4 times its uncooked volume. Rice contains high starch content. Starch comprises of two polymers of glucose, that is amylose and amylopectin. Amylose is a polysaccharide made of alpha-D-glucose units bonded to each other through alpha-1,4 glycosidic bonds. It is one of the two components of starch, mixing up approximately 20 to 30%. Amylose do not gelatinize during microwave cooking. Rice with more amylose content tends to cook fluffy with separate grains. Amylopectin is a water-soluble polysaccharide and highly branched polymer of alpha-glucose units found in plants. It is much larger than amylose. These starch molecules in grains of rice are actually arranged in a semi-crystalline state. The granules are about 2 micrometer in size in rice. The starch becomes soluble in water when heated. The granules swell and burst. The semi-crystalline state is lost. As a result, smaller amylose molecules leach out and form a network that holds water, which leads to the swelling of rice. Hence, rice expands after cooking is basically due to a chemical reaction of starch and water in presence of heat. Starch gelatinization is a process which occurs when starch is heated in presence of water. Granules lose their orderliness and swell from large amounts of water moving in. Water becomes trapped inside swollen granules, causing liquids to thicken. Too much heat results in degraded granules and a loss of thickening.